Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the spatial sound feature on Windows 11. So if you want a better experience of hearing sounds on your computer, you can enable this feature. And what you need to do here is just go to the settings on your Windows, click on this Windows button, go to settings, and now click on System. Here choose Sound. Now you can click on your headphones that you are currently using on your computer and scroll down until you find this spatial sound. So you can choose an immersive audio experience that stimulates a realistic environments, 3D spatial sound. But this spatial sound provided in here is also based on your like your headphones and everything. And here you can also get more spatial sound apps on the Microsoft Store. So I'm going to change it by clicking on this drop down into the Windows